Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 5.6. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 5.6. First sum. Find the value of x if angle AOB is a right angle. Right angle means that is 90 degree. So angle AOB equal to 90 degree. It is split into two angle. What is that? 2x and 3x. So we have to add this, means we get 90 degree. So listen. In angle AOB, angle AOC plus angle COB equal to 90 degree. Angle AOC is 3x. So 3x plus 2x equal to 90 degree. Add this, means we get 5x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree. Here 5 is in multiplication. Bring this side, means division. So x equal to 90 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. Here also 1 5. Balance 4 40. That is 8 times. So 18 degree is the x value. That is the answer. Second sum. In the given figure, find the value of x. Listen here. Angle AOB is a straight line. It is split into two angles, AOC and COB. It is linear pair because straight angle 180 degree. Add this two angle, means we get 180 degree. So that is linear pair. In angle AOB, angle AOC plus angle COB equal to 180 degree, since linear pair. Angle AOC is 2x plus 23 plus angle COB is 3x minus 48 equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x 5x plus 23 minus 48, that is so different sign, so subtraction. 48 minus 23, that is 25. 48 is the biggest number, that sign is minus. So 25 equal to 180. So 5x equal to minus 25, bring this side, means plus 25. 5x equal to, that is 180 plus 25, 205. So x equal to 205 divided by 5. Cancellation. 1 5 is 5. 4 5s are 20 and 1 5 is 5. So x equal to 41 degree. That is the answer. Third sum. Find the value of x, y and z. Listen this figure. In straight angle COD, these two angles are linear pair. Linear pair means that is 180 degree. The summation is 180 degree. So in straight angle COD, angle COB plus angle COB plus BOD equal to 180 degree, since linear pair. COB is 3x plus 40 plus BOD is x equal to 180 degree. 3x plus x 4x plus 40 equal to 180 degree. So 4x equal to 180 minus 40. 4x equal to 180 minus 40, 140. So x equal to 140 divided by 4. That is 3 4s are 12, balance 2, that is 35 degree. So the value of x is 35 degree. Next one. Listen. These two angles are equal and these two angles are equal because that is vertically opposite angles. Here angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, since that is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite. What is BOC? That is 3x plus 40. Y plus 30. Assemble the variables in one side. 3x minus y equal to 30 minus 40. Here 3x, 3 into 35. We know that the x value. So minus y equal to 30 minus 40, that is minus 10. 335 is 105 minus y equal to minus 10. So minus y equal to minus 10. Here plus 105, bring this side means minus 105. So minus y equal to minus 10 minus 105. Both are same sign. So add this one with the same sign. Minus 115. Minus minus get cancelled. So y equal to 115 degree. That is the answer. Next one, we have to find out the value of z. For that, also angle BOD and AOC is equal. Angle BOD equal to angle AOC. That is also vertically opposite. BOD is x and AOC is z plus 10. X value 35 degree, so z plus 10. Here 35, bring this side 10 means minus 10, so equal to z. So as z equal to 35 minus 10, 25 degree. So the value of z is 25 degree, x is 35 and y is 115 degree. That is the answer. Fourth sum, two angles are in the ratio 11:25. If they are linear pair, find the angles. Listen, they given the ratio. So ratio of two angles is 11:25. Now let the angles be 11x and 25x. Now they given the two angles are linear pair. So add this two angles means we get 180 degree. So 11x plus 25x equal to 180 degree. Given linear pair. So 11x plus 25x 36x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree divided by 36. Divide means we get 5 degree. That is the value of x. Now the angles are 11x, that is 11 into 5, 55 degree. Next 25x, 25 into 5, 11 into 5, 55 degree. Next 25 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So 100 and so that is 125 degree. Add these two angles means we get 180 degree. So that is the answer. Fifth sum. Using the figure, answer the following question and justify your answer. Listen, this figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Here angle 1, angle 2. So that is adjacent. So answer yes. Justify your answer. They ask. So they have a common vertex. So they have a common vertex. Next one is the angle AOB adjacent to BOE. AOB and BOE. These two angles are adjacent, they ask. Is that true? No. Because they are overlapping interior. This angle and this angle, that is overlapping. No? So they have overlapping interiors. Next one. Does angle BOC and BOD form a linear pair? BOC and BOD. No, because BOD and COD are the linear pairs. So answer no. Since BOC is a straight line, straight angle. Next one. Are the angles COD and BOD supplementary? COD and BOD are supplementary? Yes. They are linear pair. COD and BOD. Both angles are linear pair. Next is angle 3 vertically opposite to angle 1. Angle 3 is vertically opposite? No. What's the reason? They are not formed by intersecting line. That is the answer. Sixth sum. In the figure POQ, ROS and TOU are straight lines. POQ, ROS, TOU are straight lines. Find the x value. Listen, in straight line TOU, in straight line TOU, listen, this is a straight line. So add this all the angles means we get 180 degree, right? So angle UOV plus angle VOP plus angle POR plus angle ROT equal to 180 degree. Substitute the angles. X plus 45 degree plus 47 degree plus 36 degree equal to 180 degree. So x plus, add this angles, 40 plus 40 80, 80 plus 30 110, 115, 122, 128 equal to 180. So x equal to 180 minus 128. So x equal to 180 minus 128, that is 52 degree. So the value of x is 52 degree. That is the answer. Seventh sum. In the figure, AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Find the value of angle 1 and angle 2 and justify your answer. Listen here. This line is extended means it is transversal. So angle 1 equal to 30 degree. What is the reason? Alternative interior angle. Given AB is parallel to DC, so CE is transversal first. If CE is transversal to AB, therefore angle 1 equal to 30 degree. Next one, if, listen here, DE is extended means D is the transversal. If DE is transversal to AB means angle 2 equal to 80 degree. What is the reason? Here also interior alternate angle, here also interior alternate angle. And justify your answer they ask. So justification, CDE is a triangle. CD is a triangle. That is the answer. Eighth sum. In the figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find X, Y and Z. Listen this figure. Angle Y equal to 42 degree. How? That is vertically opposite side. So first write down the solution. Given AB is parallel to CD. Here y equal to 42 degree. Angle y equal to 42 degree. What is the reason? That is vertically opposite angle. Next one, also z equal to 42 degree. Here what is the reason? Reason, that is transversal line means z equal to 42. Reason is the interior alternative angles are equal. So interior alternate angle. Now find out the x value. Now angle AOC plus angle COG plus angle GOB in straight line AOB. Here O. Angle AOC plus angle COG plus angle GOB equal to 180 degree. That is straight line. So add this all angle means we get 180 degree. AOC X, COG 63, GOB Z, that is 42 degree, equal to 180. X plus add this two angle means 105 degree equal to 180. So x equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So x equal to 180 minus 105, 75 degree. Here y is 42 degree and z also 42 degree. So that is the answer. Ninth sum. Draw two parallel lines and a transversal. Make two alternate angles G and H if they are supplementary. What is the measure of each angle? So first draw two parallel lines. Let M and N, sorry, L and M, and a transversal N. Two alternate angles G and H. If they are supplementary, what is the measure of each angle? Solution. Let L and M are parallel lines and N is the transversal. Here angle G and H are alternate angles. Therefore angle G equal to angle H, and also they are supplementary. So angle G plus angle H equal to 180 degree. Substitute the value angle G equal to angle H. So angle H plus angle H equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle H equal to 180 degree. Angle H equal to 180 degree divided by 2. Angle H equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle G equal to angle H equal to 90 degree. That is the answer. 10th sum. A plumber must install pipe 2 parallel to pipe 1. Pipe 2 is parallel to pipe 1. He knows that angle 1 equal to is 53 degree. That is 53 degree. What is the measure of angle 2? We want to find out this. Listen, this diagram like this. Here angle 2, here angle 1. Listen, given angle 1 equal to 53 degree and also angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? That is interior angles on the same side. Is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 we know that is 53 degree plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. So angle 2 equal to 180 degree minus 53 degree. Angle 2 equal to 180 minus 53, that is 127 degree. That is the value of angle 2. That is the answer.